All right, let's go. We had a great 4th of July, all things considered. A little rain this morning. We have the band Chicago at Ravinia tomorrow night.
That's right.
We have we have NASCAR, of course, tomorrow and Sunday.
Right.
A lot of pressure, Albert.
Well, Saturday is going to be the better of the 2 days.
Okay.
We're looking at widespread showers and even a few thunderstorms as we head into your Sunday. Tomorrow, though, it's all about the heat. So let's focus in on your Saturday as we make it into the mid-90s, gusty southwest winds up to 30 miles per hour. And at times we could have heat indices over parts of the area approaching 100 degrees. So it's a hot, humid day with some late day storm chances mainly out towards the far western suburbs. A front's going to slowly push through the area on Sunday. That's going to be the focus for scattered showers and even thunderstorms. Best chance of thunderstorms look to be from Chicago southward, coming in with cloud ground lightning and even some gusty winds. 86 still at Midway. It's 84 at O'Hare. Another warm night and a muggy night with pretty calm winds. So we may have some of this fireworks smoke over the next few hours linger, and that may reduce air quality between now and parts of the overnight. Tomorrow morning we're in the 70s. Tomorrow afternoon it's low to mid 90s. We have a mostly sunny sky as we head towards the afternoon time, and then as we head into the evening hours, there's 9 o'clock. A couple of showers and storms start to develop way out here towards the west, but those showers will build as we get a little bit closer to sunrise on Sunday. So Sunday morning 7 a.m. some showers on the map. The slow moving front will interact with a hot humid atmosphere, and with daytime heating in the afternoon on Sunday, some bigger thunderstorms will be possible. Again, lightning and gusty winds the primary concern, and this is some new data showing even as we head into the late afternoon, early evening, we've got some downpours pushing through Chicago. So scattered showers and storms. This in the forecast, 1/3 of an inch to maybe as much as 8/10 of an inch of rainfall is possible on Sunday. That could impact both your plans and of course NASCAR Chicago on Sunday. 76 degrees for tonight with a mostly clear sky. Tomorrow's a hot, humid day, 95 degrees. The winds were light today. They're going to be strong tomorrow. Conveyor belt of hot air gusting out of the southwest as high as 30 miles per hour. As we go 96 in Gary, 94 Midway, 95 at O'Hare, low 90s in Valparaiso. It's a beach day, but no beach cooling as we have these winds howling out of the west-southwest, bringing in that hot air for tomorrow. Not as hot on Sunday because of more cloud cover and that chance of rain. Thunderstorm chance in the afternoon and lingering into the early evening. Behind this front, though, on Sunday, a little cooler. 85 on Monday, but upper 70s near the lake. 91 with a spot shower storm on Tuesday, and back to the humid, warm air mass with some scattered storms around middle and end of next week.
All right, Albert, thanks very much.